Hey there, it's Jessica, your Customer Education Specialist at REISift. Today I want to take some time to talk about the 4 W's of data management and why they're so important to your business. So first, what are the 4 W's of data management? They're really important for the purpose of tagging and tracking data in REISift. So for example, do you know when you last skip traced it? Do you know if that record's been skip traced before? Do you know where it was purchased and when the last time that you marketed to that record was? So the 4 W's of data management allow you to track all of that information and not lose insight into to not lose insight and value in your data. So let's go ahead and look at what are the 4 W's of data management. The 4 W's are: where did it come from? So that would be, where did the data come from? Where did you purchase it? So for example, list source, prop stream, the county, where did you get the data? The next W, where, is where has it been? So that can be skip tracing, for example. Have you skip traced it? Where did you skip trace it? Where is it going? That can often be campaign related. It can be, I'm sending it to call tools, or I'm tracking a Sensei flow attempt. And then lastly, when did it happen? So for the 4 W's, we can remember where, and when. Now what's really nice about REISift is when you're actually in the upload process, REISift kind of holds your hands through that, and it's going to ask you some questions. It's going to ask you, where did you purchase this? When did you purchase it? Has it been skip traced? If so, where and when? And because it's asking those questions, it asks you, let's stay organized, and it asks those questions, it's going to allow the system to auto tag the data. And so when you get to that step of the upload process, you will see auto tags created. What's really important is that as you continue to market, skip trace in REISift, or any time that your data is going somewhere or doing something, you should be tagging it so you don't lose the insight or lose money spending money skip tracing again. For example, if you decide you want to skip trace your records for a second time, you should have tagged it with skip genie skipped. That way, if you go to skip trace it again, you're not going to skip trace it again with skip genie. So let's take a look at an example tag of some example tags that you could do. So for example, where did it come from? List source. So list source could be a tag. Where has it been? Skip genie. I skip traced it with skip genie. That's a tag. And then also the when did it happen? So you would want to have, purchased from list source 6/22, or skip traced with skip genie in 6/22, like June 2022. And so you want to create all of these tags as you're marketing. You can tag the records or update attempts, so you're tracking everything every step of the way, and you're never losing insight or wondering where data has been or where it's going. All right, that's it. That is the 4 W's of data management. It's pretty simple, but make sure that you continue to tag your records so you don't lose insight. And you can look back at the record and know where it's been, when you marketed to it, and know every step of the process. And it also allows you to reverse engineer success. Talk to you next time.